Hello, this is Stan Cofton, Clinical Director here at Alpha Plus Dental Center in Brookline. And we've been receiving lots of emails of questions asking us, they've noticed on our websites that we are doing Zirconia implants. And so one of the questions was, what is a dental implant? And, is zirconia better than titanium? So a dental implant is essentially a replacement for a missing tooth. So if we take a look at this model here, this patient is missing the tooth in the middle here. And essentially what happens is minor surgical procedure, this implant gets placed in, it heals. Then after about 3 to 4 months, the abutment gets placed on top of the implant. Now this abutment is actually peeking through the gums. And we take an impression of it, and then the lab makes a beautiful crown for us, which matches all your other teeth, and it looks like it's coming right out of the gums. Now, the difference between this implant that you see here and say, these white implants is these are actually made of zirconia. So zirconia is a ceramic material. And what makes it a little bit different from titanium is that some of my patients come in knowing that they have an existing allergy to titanium. So some research shows that 2% of the population can develop an allergy to titanium, or the population that's been tested, 2% of it does have an allergy to titanium. And so we place a ceramic implant, which is much more inert than titanium. It doesn't sort of interact with the body in any way. And so patients that have an allergy to traditional titanium implants, which have been around since the 70s, can now have a zirconia implant, which has been around since the mid to late 80s, but mostly in Europe. These are fairly new to the US, probably within the last 10 years. Still not many dental offices are placing zirconia implants. One of the other questions was, how long do the zirconia implants last? So it really depends on how well you take care of your teeth. The mouth is a very sort of harsh environment. There's bacteria. We're drinking, cold sodas, very acidic things. So the more you take care of your implant and the rest of your teeth, the longer it's going to last. It should last just as long as titanium. Titanium implants and zirconia implants have a rate of success of about 97%, but the patient has to understand they have to clean it, they have to floss it. There's a lot that goes into maintain your natural teeth, as well as anything prosthetically that a dentist can do for you. So finally, one of the questions is zirconia harmful to humans? And again, I kind of covered this just briefly earlier, is that it's very inert. So it's an oxide of zirconium. So we work with zirconia, and zirconia is essentially a ceramic material that's very inert for us. So there has been 0 allergies to it that we know of yet. And we also place the zirconia. So once we know you have a metal allergy, so you get a zirconium implant, a zirconium crown, and you get the abutment and the final crown as well. So there's no metal. So essentially the entire fixture altogether is metal free. So if you're interested in getting metal free implants, give us a call here at Alpha Plus Dental Center in Brookline, Massachusetts, and give us a call anytime. We'll take care of you and set you up for consultation. Thank you. Take care.